This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, December the 4th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. See the storm system lifting out of the upper Midwest and Great Lakes into Canada, taking with it the snow that mainly fell over the northwestern half of the state and the moderate to heavy rainfall that fell over the southeastern half. Here's the watch warning map at midnight. Winter weather advisories continued over far northeastern Iowa northeastward, also in North Dakota and Montana, over the Colorado Rockies, Arizona and New Mexico, and some flooding issues over the Ohio and Tennessee valleys. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 6 o'clock shows the heaviest amounts of rain will fall in that where the flood watches are, from Texas into the Ohio and Tennessee Valley. The rainfall or precipitation you see in Iowa with last night. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 6 p.m. this evening. You can see the trough over the plains and upper Midwest with a bit of an axis moving through West Texas, which will be the second part of this system that will mainly affect the Ohio and Tennessee Valley with the heavy rainfall, while we'll be clearing and cold with highs in the upper 20s to low 30s. Monday will be a bit cooler, maybe a few high clouds over far southeast Iowa. Otherwise, it'll be mainly sunny with highs in the 20s to lower 30s. But the main story will actually be on Tuesday, especially Tuesday morning in the snowpack areas. Temperatures will be fairly close to zero, with temperatures climbing at least back into the 20s across the state. Wednesday will be no different. 20s across the state, maybe a few low 30s, especially in areas that did not receive snow, with lows still in the single digits and teens. Thursday, same story, with a bit of a disturbance moving through that may kick off some flurries or a light snow shower. Accumulations aren't likely at this time. This only brings another push of cold air in for Friday and the upcoming weekend, as temperatures continue to stay fairly cold with highs in the 20s and lows a few degrees either side of 10. Saturday, to start off the next weekend, winds switch to the southwest and temperatures begin to warm back into the 30s for highs, with lows in the teens to near 20. A week from today, next Sunday, the 11th, you can see there's a trough axis just to our west, extending from Southern California up into the northern plain states. And with that could be some interesting weather there, with maybe a few snow showers in the Rockies and up into the upper Midwest, but mainly it's dry across the area with no real systems around. We head further into the month. Here's the 15th. You can see a bit of a split flow, the main jet over the northern tier with the subtropical jet over the southern tier, and most of the moisture will be to our north and to our east, with some snow flurries and snow showers over the Great Lakes and into New England, with nothing around here but temperatures near seasonal levels. But we head into Saturday the 17th, and oh boy, here comes another pool of cold, and this is Arctic weather with a high moving into Alberta. We move ahead to the 18th, and you can see there's the high pressure down into Montana at 1044 millibar high. This is likely to bring temperatures below zero across the state, with highs maybe around 20. We head to the end of the forecast on December 19th. There's that trough axis still over the Great Lakes and into the Mid-Atlantic and New England states, and still cold at 1040 millibar high near Fayetteville, Arkansas. Cold, cold, cold all the way down to the deep south. Looks to be cold heading toward Christmas Day. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.